How you guys doing today? My name is Dan Rao. I am here at MarineMax in Copiague, New York. This is the big island to the BVI change. You can see my lovely palm trees. But let me talk to you about this 2019 195 Sportfish Scout. This is a beautiful boat. Scout makes wonderful boats. They have gorgeous lines. Let's start all the way up forward where you have a really neat, simple anchor locker setup. Anchor sits in here, throw the anchor over, you feed the anchor inside the line. It all puts away really nice so that you still have plenty of space to fish. You can still fish this top, as well as this deck here for the seating that holds this massive storage bin. This storage bin, lines, fenders, gear, wet gear, that can all go in there. Because it's a Scout, it comes with ample cup holders. She is really deep in this setup where you're looking at a much drier ride. You're up over here onto this center console with this great T-top. This is an option on this boat. It's not critical for it, but obviously it sets up for the rocket launchers in the back. You have your lifeguard jacket, gear, map, stowage, cell phone, that kind of stuff sits up there nice and dry. Over here to the helm, you have plenty of space for whatever Garmin, Raymarine, chart plotter, nav system that you wanted to set up on this boat. It has plenty of space on it. It does have tilt steering, which is a really nice feature, especially if you're like me and you get a little lazy in the afternoon, or if it's getting a little rough out and you do need to be up top. She does come with a 150 Mercury. Outstanding engine, power package is absolutely tuned to this boat. She sets up to fish really well in the aft end. A couple of neat features are this live well, sits away, tucks away, but this seat also gets removed so that you have ample fishing area in the back without this kind of getting in your way. So you get a much bigger fish on a 19-foot boat than you would on most normal boats. Really quickly, in the back end here, you have two storage compartments. These are great. What makes these little back seats so versatile is that they got this great grab bar. You have your drink holder here, you have your fishing line here, and you can put your feet out. So for a 6'2" guy on a 19-foot boat, this is a wonderful starter.